Hey guys, I'm Angela.
I'm Celeste
from A&C with a Twist.
In 4-H, you can also do a recycling project.
In recycling, you take objects that will normally go to the landfill and turn them into something useful or decorative.
The goal is to keep items such as cardboard, metal, plastic, and other objects out of the landfill.
The recipe for this week is water with a twist.
This recipe is a great idea for a tasty refresher when you're thirsty.
We want to thank Cornell University Cooperative Extension for giving us this recipe.
Before we get started, make sure to try this recipe at home to earn your points for the Learn and Earn section.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel,
A&C with a Twist,
for more recipes.
Let's get started! For this recipe, you will need one or more fruits or vegetables such as oranges, lemons, or limes.
Or strawberries, pineapples, or cucumbers.
You will also need chilled water.
Or you can use seltzer water or sparkling water instead of plain water.
We are going to use seltzer water.
First, we're going to wash and slice our fruits or vegetables.
I'm going to use pineapples for mine.
And I'm going to use a mixture of raspberries and lemons.
Now we're going to pour our water into our cups.
Next, we're going to add our slices of fruits or vegetables to the cup of water.
If you want more flavor, you can squeeze citrus in the water.
Now our water with a twist is ready.
Angela, I'm thirsty. Let's have our water with a twist.
Yeah.
I'm going to try my juice with pineapples.
And I'm going to try mine with raspberries and lemons.
Cheers.
I can really taste the lemon. We used carbonated water instead of plain water. And my mixture of raspberries and lemons adds a special twist to it.
My pineapples add a lot of flavor to my normal water.
And that was our water with a twist. Make sure to try this recipe at home to earn your points for the Learn and Earn section.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel,
A&C with a Twist, for more recipes.
Bye!